Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out the top 5 best car alarms that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Crimestopper SP402 car alarm. Without any doubt, Crimestopper SP402 is a bright example of versatile car security systems. It not only warns you about a possible theft, but also, if possible, stops a thief. A starter disable is responsible for this. It shuts off the operation of the vehicle when the control unit receives a certain command. It's necessary to add that this function can work even in vehicles with a manual transmission. In the cold season, remote start will be a very helpful feature for warming up the engine. Just start the engine from your home. You don't need to start the engine manually. The next point to be mentioned is that by using one remote, you'll be able to control 2 cars. Finally, it's worthwhile to note that the given model has many auxiliary functions to meet the expectations of all users. Moving on at number 4, we have the Viper 350 Plus 3105E one-way car alarm. Viper 350 Plus 3105E is an entry-level car alarm which, nevertheless, features all the necessary functions to protect your car and possessions from being stolen. 2 remotes activate requiring modes at a distance: arming/disarming the system, locking/unlocking doors, starter disable. One of the main advantages of the car alarm is the ESP2 support, which, apart from the fast data transfer rate, can boast a high encryption rate of the signal. It means that it's virtually impossible for the criminals to read the code and use it for their ends. A special XR Plus antenna has extended sensitivity and provides the increased working range up to 1.500 feet. If you're still in doubt whether this device meets the necessary criteria, note that it's fully compatible with Viper Smart Start module and offers an opportunity to send commands directly from a mobile phone. At number 3, we have the Pyle PWD701 car alarm security system. Would you like to have a car alarm capable of not only protecting your automobile, but also managing some other functions? If so, please turn your attention to Pyle PWD701 remote vehicle security system. First, we'd like to point out that the model comes with handy transmitters. Pressing a transmitter button for less than 1 second activates some standard functions, while pressing it for more than the specified time period, other. When transmitter's LED is green, it means that it works in the set mode. The car alarm is supplied with all the necessary parts, such as a central unit, a 120 decibel 6-tone siren, a remote sensor bypass, a dual-stage impact detector, and all required wires. The remote chirp is one more nice benefit of the model. You will be able to find your vehicle in a parking lot by pressing the assign button. It's also worth mentioning that the system has 2 auxiliary outputs for setting additional modes. At number 2, we have the Python 3105P one-way security system. Python 3105P 460 car security system is a basic car alarm protecting your vehicle from theft. The huge benefit of the system is that it allows the owner to apply other equipment enhancing the capabilities of the system. For example, you can connect DSM 200 or DSM 250 modules for managing the car alarm from a mobile device. Don't miss the opportunity to manage the system from a smartphone or a tablet. There are also 2 auxiliary channels for adding various functions. By default, the system is controlled via 2 4-button remotes that send commands using XR Plus technology with a range of up to the quarter mile. This is actually the most helpful device since it will keep you informed of all functions at any time. It should be noted that transmitter's operation is based on ESP2 protocol, ensuring an additional protection and high-speed data transmission to the central unit. And finally, at number 1, we have the Viper 5706V two-way car security. The main advantage of this model is that it's a 2-way pager alarm with many anti-theft and owner access features. It offers 2 remotes that enable a car owner to manage various functions of the system at a distance. Responder LC3 two-way 5-button LCD remote is equipped with spread spectrum technology that provides an antenna with the working range of up to 1 mile. Therefore, you'll be able to manage the system even when you're so far away from the vehicle. And more importantly, Super Code Registered Encryption Protocol increases the security of the system, preventing the code from being read by third persons. In addition, this technology allows you to gain control over 2 vehicles at a time using only 1 remote. It's really difficult to list all capabilities of the device, since apart from the main functions, such as arming the system, locking the doors, trunk release, remote engine start, it also features 4 auxiliary channels for designating additional functions. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.